So it's been a while, but we finally got out camping on a weekend, on the bank holiday weekend, Easter. We're at a site called, I think it's Cardew or something like that in North Wales. We're going to get the awning set up. There's a river right behind us, which will be nice and tranquil. I'm going to do a bit of fishing in that. We're going to have a walk tomorrow. There's a bit of a walk around the mountain and gorge. It's late on now, it's 5 o'clock. We set off late, so hence. So we're going to get set up and get some tea sorted. We're just cooking our food now, our evening meal, because we're running a bit late. As I say, we set off late, so we arrived late. Got everything set up, got the fire going, the steaks are on, but as it's getting really dark and I'm struggling to film, I've got my light here. I'm going to probably end the video tonight unless something exciting happens, and we'll pick you back up in the morning. What a place to wake up to. Our own river, surrounded by mountains. So Carl is just knocking us some breakfast up now in a brew. I have been over to reception where there's Wi-Fi signal to download an offline map for the walk we're going to do now, which we will take you along with us. So this is where the OS Maps app, it is good, it's brilliant in fact, but sometimes the path isn't defined. If you look, that's a path. So you're sort of going back, forward, trying to find where the path is, but we've got to sort of make our own, and hopefully we're out of here now, up the hill, up yonder. Well, what a view behind us.
Rastamos.
So we'll crack on, see if we can get the rest. We've got about an hour left, see if we can get the rest of the walk done. So we're back from the hike. Poor Riley fell over about 8 times. Oh, let me put this on. So we've cleaned off, had a shower and everything. I'm going to try a bit of fishing now. We tried it yesterday. Riley's rubbish, lost 2 of my lures, and hello. So we're going to try have another attempt to see if we can catch a trout in the river at the back of us. Down yonder. Trout, or river fishing in general, isn't really my speciality, but to be honest with you, we didn't see a single fish in this river in any stretch of it the entire time we was there, so that's my excuse anyway. So we're back from our fishing, caught nothing as usual. I don't think I've ever been camping and trying to fish and caught anything. So now we're just messing about playing some football before we head off down to one of the pubs down the road to have our evening meal. It's been a while since we made a video, and to be honest with you, I'm a little bit rusty and I kept forgetting to pick up the camera and film things. So unfortunately, this is going to be a little bit of a short video. We're just coming to the end of this trip, just packing away now. For the very first time and all, I'll just show you this. We bought a jump pack, a car battery jump pack, ages ago. We've never even had it out, and there's a young couple on this campsite and the battery's flat. I've just used it, put it straight on, fire it up straight away. I'll just show you what it is. This is it. It's called a Gulu. I mean, there's loads of them when I searched it on Amazon, but they can get you out of a bit of a pickle if you need to. They're really small. They double up as a power bank as well. Yeah, if you're just stuck, like because you've been here a few days, come to turn your engine over and it's just clicking, this might just get you out of a hole.